Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to shoot a quick update video talking about the stock market today. If you haven't looked at it yet, it was a pretty green day today. NVDA and Tesla definitely led the way. The month of August has definitely been it's been a rough month, to say the least. Stocks have pulled back a good bit. As you can see on this Yahoo Finance article, they broke the losing streak as stocks powered through rough August. NVDA reports earnings Wednesday. I think Zoom reported earnings after the bell today. I haven't looked at their earnings yet to see how they did, but I know a lot of people are eyeing NVIDIA for Wednesday for sure. And investors must have been pretty excited because I think it ripped up like 9% today, over $30. The shares of NVIDIA rose today. So a lot of excitement for that upcoming earnings report. NVIDIA would have been a great stock to go all in on. Not financial advice, obviously. Not financial professional here. But it's up over 200% year to date. So definitely one of the best performing stocks. Hindsight, 2023, NVIDIA would have been a great play. Now, just going through the article a little bit further down, the Dow actually fell today 0.1%, while the S&P 500 gained about 0.7%, and the NASDAQ led the way at 1.6% after losing more than 2% last week. So a host of tech companies were pretty solid today, despite the uncertainty over the economy and the souring mood over the Fed's interest rate policy. Bond yields edged higher, continuing a historic climb and signaling that investors are bracing for a longer period of elevated rates. The yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury bond hit 4.34%, matching levels not seen since the financial crisis. Later this week, the Federal Reserve's interest rate campaign is set to take center stage. I think Jerome Powell is set to speak at an annual gathering of bankers in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Scrolling down a little bit further here. Like I mentioned earlier, Zoom had earnings after hours today. Let's see what they're doing at the moment. They're currently at 67.27. And looks like in after hours, they're up about 3.79%. So not too bad. Not sure what the earnings look like. I have not had opportunity to look at those earnings yet. But here's an article 3 hours ago. Zoom stock pops on earnings beat. So it looks like they did beat their earnings. Gets a lift from AI, artificial intelligence. That is like the big topic of this year, artificial intelligence. And then, like I mentioned as well, NVIDIA, big earnings week, Wednesday. And here's the stock of NVIDIA. Pretty crazy the stock can move that much in one day, up 8.47% in one single day. Pretty massive day for NVIDIA. I can't remember the last time I've seen it jump that much in one day. After a pretty big sell-off last week, we were at the 435s. It sold off a good bit, touched down to 418. Now it's back almost to 470. Pretty crazy. NVIDIA just absolutely killing it this year. NVIDIA stock is up more than 200%. Pretty crazy. So NVIDIA was really good stock to trade today. Tesla up 7% today. A couple other ones a little bit farther down. Looks like J&J slipped a little bit today. But yeah, guys, that's probably the extent of today's update video on the stock market. Looks like it was a pretty green day for most stocks out there. NVIDIA and Tesla leading the way for some of the biggest gains. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe down below, and let me know if you're holding on to any NVDA calls or any option plays this week. Let me know down below. Let me know what you guys think about NVIDIA's earnings coming up this Wednesday as well too. Would appreciate all the feedback. All right, guys, take care.